Thanks for tuning in today. This is going to be the third video with the Simplex 4010. So let's go ahead and take a look at our setup for today. Starting off with the smoke detectors, you'll see that they are exactly the same, but there they are. Both of these are Simplex 4098 9714s on 4098 9792 bases. I'll go ahead and show you that. Focus the camera. There it is. Put that back on there. And panel might go into trouble. Not sure. I don't know. We'll find out here in a second. The pull station is a Simplex 2099 9754. This one's actually a little bit different. It's a little bit newer, I think, and the key actually turns to the right instead of to the left, like with a lot of the older pull stations, which is interesting in my opinion. If we go on up, the horn strobe today is this Simplex 4906 9127 Smart Sync multi-candela True Alert. I don't know if you'll be able to see it in there. That little yellow spot is the candela gauge. And you can see it's on 30 candela. So, something a little bit different I have in here. If we open up the panel, you'll see I do actually have a Smart Sync module installed in here. And the reason for this is because I couldn't actually get this panel to output a Smart Sync signal. It has it in the programming, but I might just be setting it up wrong. Regardless, it wasn't working, so I put this Smart Sync module in there to generate the Smart Sync signal. So this will be doing code 3. Although, since this is a very easily adjustable module, I can actually change the coding on it. So I think we might do that today. So, I'm going to put my hearing protection on and we're going to start the video. So what we're going to do today is I'm actually going to spray one of these detectors and see if we can get it to go off. I hope that doesn't like set off the other systems. You can hear that module clicking away in there. And obviously the strobe is still flashing up there. Alright, so next we're going to pull the Simplex pull station right here. Alright, so now I'm going to get my keys out. Reset this. Now we'll go and reset the panel. There is something quite satisfying about hearing the relay in there click in sync with the strobe flashing. And this panel does take quite a while to reset. And right as I say that, we are reset. So what I'm actually going to do now is I'm going to change the coding on this module just by messing with these dip switches right up here. So, make a quick jump cut and I'll be right back with you. Alright, so now I have the module set to do continuous horn, so this is going to pretty much be just like my home system, but on a demo system. So, to activate it, we're just going to do a key activation. I wasn't going to let that go for very long just because don't want to spook my family too much, just because that is the sound of our home fire alarm system. So we'll let that reset again, and we will call that the end of the video. There it is. A True Alert made a funny noise there at the end. Anyway, that's gonna wrap up today's video. As always, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out the links in the description. Thank you, and have a great day.